Welcome to the top best. The best summer fun toys is probably one of the most exciting things for kids aged 4 to 8. Summer is the perfect time for outdoor adventures, splashing in the water, and creating unforgettable memories. In this video, we're diving into the top toys that will keep your little ones entertained all season long. From water blasters to bubble machines, we've got the ultimate guide to summer fun, so let's jump right in and find the perfect toys for your kids. Number 5. SplashEZ 69-foot non-slip splash pad. Introducing the SplashEZ. This splash pad features a non-slip surface, ensuring your little ones and furry friends can play safely. It's designed to prevent slips and falls, providing a secure environment for everyone. The SplashEZ is the ultimate summer toy for kids and dogs alike. Its pore-resistant materials and unique design make it a hit for the whole family. Get ready for some tail-wagging fun. With a spacious 69-inch surface area, this splash pad is big enough for everyone to enjoy. Gather your kids and dogs for hours of fun in the sun with this fantastic product. Keep your kids and dogs cool and safe with the SplashEZ's shallow wading pool and anti-slip surface. It's also BPA and phthalates free, so you can have peace of mind while they play. We are committed to providing top-notch service. If you're not satisfied with it, contact our friendly team for a solution. We're here to help. What we like. This splash pad features a non-slip surface, ensuring safety during playtime. It's designed for both kids and dogs, making it a fun option for the whole family. If you have pets and young children, this is a great way to keep everyone cool and entertained in the backyard. What people say. After a year, it is in great condition, with the only negative thing about this splash pad being the graphics are severely faded. It is the perfect size for 1 to 3 children with its small footprint. It is quick to set up and can be put away after draining in 5 minutes. Number 4. Watermelon Ball JR Underwater Pool Toy. Introducing the Watermelon Ball JR. It's a durable, feasible pool toy perfect for underwater games. This is great for all ages, bringing excitement to your water activities. Get ready for endless fun at your next pool party. This toy is perfect for summer parties, beach trips, and backyard cookouts. You can dribble it, bounce it, or toss it around. Filling this ball is a breeze with the included adapter. It inflates quickly and weighs 14.5 pounds when full. Get ready for some serious pool fun. This toy is great for any outdoor water sports or beach game. It encourages active play and fosters teamwork. It's fun for all ages. Keep everyone active this summer with this fun pool accessory. It's perfect for any aqua activity and will keep kids and adults entertained for hours. What we like. This durable ball is perfect for underwater games, adding excitement to any pool day. It's designed for easy filling and play, ensuring fun for all ages. If you are looking for a fun and engaging activity for pool parties or beach trips, this is a great choice. What people say. The water table is the perfect height for my 4-year-old and 6-year-old. The kids love the different activities on the table, especially the water wheel and the slide. It's a great size and easy to clean. Number 3. Mademax 79 Splash Pad for Kids. This 79-inch splash mat is perfect for kids aged 3 to 10 and up. It's designed for both boys and girls, offering a fun way to cool off in the summer heat. It's a great way to keep them entertained. This inflatable sprinkler pad is a fantastic alternative to traditional baby pools. It combines the best features of a kiddie pool, water slide, and water toys. This creates the most entertaining spray pad for kids. Setting up this splash pad is incredibly easy. You just need to connect it to a garden hose or PVC tubing. You can then adjust the water pressure to control the spray height. It's that simple. Kids love swimming pools, but they can come with risks. This splash pad allows your children to cool off safely. It provides a fun and hazard-free way for them to enjoy the summer. Your child's safety is our top priority. This splash pad is made without harmful chemicals. It's the perfect gift for birthdays and parties. If you have any questions, please contact us. What we like. This splash pad offers a large 79-inch area for kids to play and cool off. It's easy to set up and made with safe materials, ensuring a worry-free experience. If you like a simple and safe way for your kids to enjoy the summer, this splash pad is a fantastic option. What people say. The outer rim inflates with water, creating a pool that is only a couple inches deep. The height of the water spray is easily controlled by adjusting the hose valve. The splash pad is well made, easy to set up, and the material is sturdy. Number 2. USA Map Puzzle for Kids, Educational Gift. This engaging floor puzzle promotes logical thinking. It also improves hand-eye coordination as children play and learn. The puzzle enhances observational skills and memory. This is a healthy, screen-free educational gift. It's perfect for special occasions like Valentine's Day or birthdays. It's suitable for kids aged 4 and up. The puzzle helps kids learn geography with large pieces. These pieces accurately match the shape of each state. It showcases interesting landmarks and teaches about the states and capitals. This puzzle brings families closer together. It's a fun activity for game nights or classroom gifts. It engages kids for hours, saving parents time. The puzzle is made of sturdy chipboard with polished printing. It's a fun, interactive toy that can be used for years. It's also fully safety tested and compliant with standards. What we like. This puzzle helps kids learn about the United States in a fun and engaging way. It's designed to promote problem-solving skills and family bonding. If you're looking for an educational and interactive activity for your kids, this puzzle is a great choice. What people say. The water table is the perfect height for my 4-year-old and 6-year-old to play with. The kids love the different activities that it has. The water table is very sturdy and well made. Number 1. JOINBO Kids Pool Diving Toys Set. This amazing set includes sea animals, mermaid toys, diving rings, and more. These pool toys are designed to bring your kids the greatest fun while swimming, and also improve their diving skills. Made from non-toxic ABS material, these toys are safe for kids aged 3 to 12. The smooth edges ensure they won't get hurt, and the colorful design makes them easy to find underwater. It's a fun and safe way to play. Kids can improve their swimming skills by throwing and catching these dive sticks and rings. The rings and sticks stand upright on the pool floor, making them easy to grab. It's a great way to practice diving. Comes with a handy storage bag, making it easy to take these toys to the beach, pool, or for diving training. This set is perfect for summer fun and water play, wherever you go. Enjoy treasure hunt games with family and friends. These brightly colored toys are easy to spot underwater. Give the gift of fun this summer with this exciting pool diving set. What we like. This set includes various diving toys to enhance swimming skills and underwater fun. They are made of excellent quality materials and come with a storage bag for easy transport. If you want to improve your child's swimming skills while having fun, these toys are perfect. What people say. The water table is the perfect height for my 4-year-old and 6-year-old to play with. It has a lot of different activities to keep them entertained. The kids love the little boats and the water wheel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.